What's up, guys? It's Green Ninja Gamer here. I have a special surprise for you. I'm going to Disneyland. And you're coming with me. Kind of, sort of. I mean, I'm gonna vlog it. And you're gonna see it. So it's like you'll be there. Hello, ladies, gentlemen, boys, and girls, and welcome to the LA Vlogs. You are about to see what is basically archive footage of May 2018 Caleb going on his family's trip to Los Angeles as part of Jessica's graduation present to go to Disneyland. There, we saw Avengers Infinity War for the first time, and you will hear all about that. So, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm actually in the middle of editing it right now, so we'll see. We'll see what comes of it. The videos might be short, they might be long, but I'm going to probably post a video per day. We'll see how that goes. And, yeah, that's about it. This is technically my 100 subscriber special, so I'm glad I'm able to do this. So, anyway, without further ado, let's begin. So, as a graduation present for my sister, my parents have decided to take her to Disneyland, as well as to go see Avengers at Grauman's Chinese Theater. We're all going, so I'm gonna go there too, and I'm gonna vlog it. First ever vlog. So we'll see how it turns out, but I'm gonna just, like, every once in a while just record some of the Disneyland area, maybe some of the Chinese theater. We're probably gonna go down the Walk of Fame, things like that. So it's cool. It's cool. So, yeah. That's my mommy. Shh, I'm recording. She can't hear me. Doesn't matter though, because we're still gonna go to Disneyland. It's gonna be fun. So, it's cool. It's fun. We're gonna get on a plane and go there. Then we're gonna be there. Then we're gonna actually do stuff. Man, this is hard vlogging. So we'll see how this vlog thing goes. I'm still new at this, but. Mommy said we don't need magic bands, so I'm not gonna get that. Woo! Well, that's interesting. So what else am I supposed to bring? My computer! I'm not gonna pack my computer yet because I still need it.
Hi. What's up? Woo! California! Woo! I'm so excited.
You're in the vlog now!
I'm in the vlog!
Jessica, you're in the vlog! Jessica!
I'm about to fall down the stairs.
I can't even.
You want to be in the vlog?
You don't get to be in the vlog!
You want to be in the vlog?
You want to be in the vlog?
Be in the vlog!
You want to be in the vlog?
I'm in the vlog!
You're in the vlog!
I paid for the vlog!
You paid for the vlog.
The vlog.
Mom, you're in the vlog!
In the vlog.
Okay, we're vlogging! Wait, now we're in a vlog.
No! Run, sister! Run! No, wait! I come with you.
No, not my room!
Oh, shoot! I go into my room.
I come in your room too!
Jessica, I got socks!
Socks!
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Oh, goodness.
Oh my
gosh. Jessica, look at my peens.
You're.
My peens.
I'm gonna walk.
They're right here. No, Jessica, they're here. My peens. Jessica, we're going to California tomorrow.
California.
It's the wild dad in his natural habitat. Sitting on his chair in an American t-shirt watching Wheel of Fortune. It's sad because that's what he's actually doing. I'm packed. Basically packed. What's this? Home videos from like, what, 2002? Get out of here, you don't need that. And protractor, that's what you need. You need that in life. It's here, let me get my shoes. Shoes, you must be packed. Must be packed neatly. Go in there. Oh my gosh, that worked. I have expected that not to work. I'm packing up my laptop right now because I'm gonna try and do things on the flight. Either way, I am happy that you guys get to join me on this adventure. Because it truly is an adventure, because I'm going to California for the first time. It's the first time I'll actually be on the west side. I'm smart. On the west side of the United States. I've been on the east side my whole life. Ohio, Iowa, Alabama, Florida, all of that. East side. Is Oklahoma on the east side? Am I stupid? I've been to Oklahoma. If that's on the west side, then okay. But I'm pretty sure it's on the east side. Pretty sure it leans more towards the east than anywhere else. Arm's getting tired. Shoop. It's night now. See, look. It's night. Wow, nothing happens at night. Except for bears coming out. We have bears in our neighborhood. At least that's what I think. At least there have been bear sightings in this neighborhood. That's what I'm saying. Either way, but that's not pertinent to the situation. You know what is pertinent to the situation? California. So I'm gonna go get a good night's sleep, then we're gonna wake up in the morning. We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have lunch at Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, blessed by God. My pleasure to serve you. God bless you, Chick-fil-A. I have memory extender because my laptop is like out of memory because so many games are on it from Steam. And all these Steam games are really hogging up my memory. That's the problem. But guess what? My computer can't run any of them anyway, so what's even the point? That's why I'm saving up for a gaming PC. As soon as I get a gaming PC, I'm gonna have an entire new array of PC content to bring you guys, especially Fortnite. I know it's sort of like a cliche to like Fortnite, especially if you're a teenage boy like me, teenage white boy. However, I genuinely think Fortnite is fun, and I like it. My pajamas set out. I got my waiter. My waiter's really cool. His name's Jeffrey. Just kidding. It was just a fun way to say water bamboozled again. Is that it? I think we're ready. I wonder if they have something at... Ooh! Okay, so if anyone who's been to Disney World, you know something called Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom. At least if you've been to Disney World and you've done research. Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom is an interactive experience to where you get these cards. Where are my cards? You get cards like this one right here. That's a Halloween card. You get cards like this one right here that they have different spells on. And all around the Magic Kingdom, they have different cameras you can look at. And if you show these to them, they do spells. So you can defeat a bunch of baddies. And you go into different universes and different worlds. You go into like Pocahontas world and Princess and the Frog, Aladdin. Wait, do you go to Aladdin? No, you don't go to Agrabah. Huh. However, you do go to other places, 101 Dalmatians. You fight Hades from Hercules, he's the main villain. It doesn't matter. Anyway, you fight them with those cards, and they're all around the park. Fantasyland, Frontierland, Liberty Square, Tomorrowland. There are different places to fight the baddies all around the Magic Kingdom. In Epcot, for anyone who knows, there's the Agent P showcase. If I showed you that pin earlier, that was a logo for the China mission that you do when you fight Dr. Doofenshmirtz with Agent P, also known as Perry the Platypus, from the show Phineas and Ferb. Basically, what I'm saying is that there's one in Animal as well. It's called the Wilderness Explorer. You can do research on that if you want to. But basically, Disney has this theme of having different things to do around the park that require you to go to different places around the park and do cool things. Universal has something like that too. If you've ever been to Harry Potter and you get the wands and you do the sensor thing on the different places in the park, yeah. Except none of Disney's stuff costs money. Anywho, I don't know if they do something like that in Disneyland. I have to look that up. And I have to check that to see if they actually do that thing. So, yeah, we don't have fast passes because Disneyland, for those who are only go to Disney World, Disneyland has paper fast passes, in which if you get there early enough in the day, you go to these little machines, put in your ticket, and it gives you a paper fast pass you give to the person at the ride, whatever fast pass you got it for. Disney World used to do this, but then they went on to this thing where you could book them in advance, and they're on your Magic Band, you just scan it in there, and it's in the system and stuff like that. So it's weird that Disneyland hasn't evolved into that yet, but Disney World has. But Disneyland hasn't, so we need to get there early in order to get all these fast passes. So I'm gonna take that with me as well, shoop-de-whoop, and I actually think I'm ready. Should I take that? I shouldn't take that. I'm not going to. I'm gonna wear flip-flops on the flight up. Probably trim my nails, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna wear flip-flops on the flight up, that's why I have shoes in the suitcase. We get there at 2 a.m. Eastern time, that's Florida time, very East Coast time, but it'll be 11 p.m. California time, West Coast time. So, we'll see how that works out. Yeah, we should be really tired when we get there. We're gonna have Chick-fil-A for lunch tomorrow. Did I already say that?
We're gonna have lunch at Chick-fil-A.
I think I did. Either way, I was wrong. I packed my laptop for no reason. Mom doesn't want me to bring my laptop. You don't let me, you never let me be who I want to be, Mom. I'm just kidding, she's a saint. She's a saint and I love her, and you should love her as well. Everyone should love her. My dad loves her. If only he'd love me. I'm just kidding, my dad loves me. I like how you're with me, like during this whole packing experience. Even though I'm gonna say I have already 45 minutes of footage in this, I'm probably only gonna use like, maybe at most 1/10 of it. Because I gotta keep this video semi-short. I don't even have 100 subs yet, and I'm already getting videos 40 minutes long. No one wants to see that. They don't care enough about me to see 40-minute long videos. But it doesn't matter. Anyway. So yeah, I should be fully packed. I'm ready to go to Cabo Flippin'Fornia. Whoa! Hi, it's me again. What's up, guys? It's your boy Green Ninja Gamer 420 XXD, and I'm here to give you some of the most craziest Fortnite compilations that you've ever seen before. You've never seen this Fortnite compilation like this before. I'm talking no scopes. I'm talking people dying. I'm talking me dying a lot. I'm talking wins. I'm talking explosive. I'm talking everything. Your boy Swagmaster right here about to give you the most lit Fortnite compilation ever. But you gotta make sure you gotta click that subscribe button and that like button and the notifications icon so you can get ready for some more of my videos and you can be notified whenever I post. Make sure to subscribe and like it again to enter my 2 million V-Buck giveaway. Thanks. See you next time. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's so late. It's it's still late. It's still Thursday night. Still getting ready for it. But I got more sunglasses cuz my mom wanted me to. And my mom passed by my room while I was recording that. So I don't know what she thinks, but Mommy? Mom, do you think I'm weird?
Jury's still out.
She said jury's still out. Oh my gosh! How dare she? I thought you loved me.
I do love you more than anything. I just
I don't think so. Ouch, my elbow. Oh, jeez. My elbow hit the wheel. Ouch. Oh, the things I do for YouTube. The things I do for YouTube. Hold on. Let's see if Jessica's in.
Yeah,
Hey, Jessica!
can you not do that?
You want to be in the vlog?
What?
The vlog.
What?
Eh.
Goodness gracious, child.
Alright. I'm gonna go get a water bottle, then I'm gonna turn in for the night, because you gotta stay hydrated if you wanna live. So yeah. Either way, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you guys in a second. Got my water bottle. Now I get to sleep. Found out practically last minute that this, my rolling backpack, barely makes it on the measurements to be a carry-on, so that's fun. I guess it's 11:36, gotta go to sleep. Leave at noon, flight is at 2. We're gonna eat before we get on the flight, but either way, good night. See you in the morning.